Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara, and today we're going to be closing out paycheck number 2 of April because baby May is on the way. Okay, it's on the way, and I'm going to also allocate out money for my YouTube check. Yay! I did not get one last month, and I'm so excited to have one this month. I don't see one coming next month, but I'm hoping for the month after that. I'm always grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. You don't have to. I know that's hard-earned time. And as y'all know, I'm always grateful for you. In order to be great, I have to be grateful, and I'm super grateful for you. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscriber. Zip, zero, nada. It costs you nothing to hit the button. But I ain't even here to pressure you. It is whatever. It is whatever you want to do. If I seem sweaty and messed up, I was out for a walk, got my gym shirt on. It literally says that. So if I don't look, it's okay. We're getting our walk on. 6:43 in the evening on a Thursday. And hopefully y'all will get this video today. All right, y'all. So let's get started. That's enough talking. Grateful Gang. Let's go. So first, what we want to do now is anything that's not in this beautiful green color here, we want to make sure it turns green. In order to do that, we check out our bank account and see what has cleared. I think the last thing we moved was probably the travel money. And so here you could see that, treat yourself money was the last thing to move. So we paid 99 cents to Google. Girl, this is unexpected. So then see what had happened was I got the TikTok, you guys. I got the TikTok like a week or so ago. Honestly, I only get on there when I want to find recipes. But this how it ties in, because at 99 cents, I bought like coins because my one friend who told me, my one friend who actually got me to go on there, she has like a book talk, and I was on her live, and it was her birthday weekend. And I was like, I want to send gifts. And so I sent 99 cents on like 70 coins or something. So, or maybe more than that, girl, I don't even know. But that's what that is. And I'm good on that. So let's add that in there under other expense. Let me move over so we're just looking at this one, because I'll make myself confusion. Where is other? So under other, I'm going to add 99 cents, and I'm just going to leave myself a note, because y'all know that my mind does not remember everything. 99 cents is for TikTok, the TikTok coins. I don't even know, guys. And so that will also be green, because move on over, girl. It cleared the bank. So $1 to Navy Federal while we're down here. That also cleared the bank. The goal here is to make sure everything is green and cleared the bank. Then we have $70.67, which is our student loan, which also cleared the bank. That will be under our debt section. Why? Oh, $7.67. Right here. And then we have $233.50 right above it. That is for the second part of the car loan. Now there's our money. We got paid. We're going to handle that in a minute. Okay. So actually, I'm going to just add that our side income came in of $162.29. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Won't he do it? God, won't he do it? And y'all too for watching. I know you mean it. Bye. No. Okay, Comcast is $80. And that is, I'm all close to you. Okay, $80. Where's my Comcast? There it is, right there. All right. Then we have $130.82. I wish, girl, why? It's $1,308.26. Could you imagine? Lord, let that be $130 would be my mortgage. Come on. 1,308 with the harm of none and the good of all, of course. 1,308.26. All right, let's go down now. So that's all the things I do see in the bank as current transactions that have cleared. So now I'm going to go down and make sure everything that has a numerical value in the cell actually got marked off. That's green. Ain't no money, ain't no money. That's green, that's green. 4320 is not changed, okay? She had not changed, boo. And so we're going to transfer over the 4320. That does not come out till like the 27th, and it'll come on the credit card, so it's not going to hurt me for putting it out of the account and into another account. I'm going to move it over to hold your. Okay, you're disrespectful. Please hold. Let me put these people on hold because clearly they don't know that I'm recording and talking to my besties. Okay. So this is gonna go to hold your horses just for the time being. You don't want to type? Okay, no. See, you be trying to get me. Okay, it's gonna hold your horses, the $43.20, and then once it does hit my credit card and comes out of pending, then I will go ahead and pay it out of hold your horses. And this is gonna be for our April security phase. I was supposed to start a challenge. Sheesh. Okay, I forgot that quick. So 4320 target to try and pay off this, because this will go away, and it'd be nice to get this $43 back in my budget, but we still owe like a little under $1,000 on it. So from Tara's Major Keys to Hold Your Horses transfer, I'm considering doing a savings challenge towards just putting money towards it and paying it off quicker. Success. Sorry. So now the money's gone down. All right. So we're going to mark it as green because we have moved the money out. Let's keep looking and see what else we need to do. Okay. Everything else is green. Grass grows around. Okay, YouTube boss, I'm going to put the 162.29 so it comes out of our balance, and that's green. Even though we haven't moved it yet, we are going to allocate it out. So I'm just going to mark it green for now. And that should be everything. So let me take this money out of here. And it says that we should have $5.15 left in our buffer. So let's just do a double checky. So if we have $167.44 and we take away the YouTube money that is still in there, 162.29. Who I loves it when a plan comes together. Say it with me. We live when a plan comes together. Okay, I'm done. I promise. Maybe a little bit. No, I don't promise. So it's $5.15 at the end of the month. It's not a big savings, but baby, we are excited for it. Okay. So what we're going to do with that $5.15, we're going to put it over in our monthly savings. It's going to go over here. We're going to leave ourselves a note that $5, you're disrespectful. That $5.15 is going to monthly savings. You guys, outside looks like it's never going to rain, and it is going to rain. And so if the lighting keeps changing, we're doing our best. Okay. Plus 5.15. Okay. You see how that says zero? We now have a what? Zero-based budget. Budget. What is that? I'm cowboy. Y'all can't even see it good. Never mind. So we're at a zero-based budget, and let's actually move that money. So I'm going to transfer over from Tara's Major Keys over to our monthly. What is it called, child? It's not that. It's monthly savings challenges. Poor little monthly savings. Poor little tink. Only got 84 cents in there. It's okay. We now have $5.15 in there. So this is the April closeout. Money. It's getting tight. Oh, we're making it. $5.15 from Tara's Major Keys to monthly savings. Boom, shakalaka. I feel like a Chief Rocka, except no, I really feel like Tasha because she says that a lot. Success. So now we're 162.29, which is exactly what we want, because we want to allocate the money that was given to us by the Googles, the AdSense, by the good people here of Grateful Gangville who watch the videos, and I love y'all. Now, let's pull up our tracker for YouTube checks. Last month we did a whole bunch. We figured it out so that we would not be confusioned the next time we got a check. We know exactly what we want to do with it for the most part. So let's talk about the amount of the check. So we know that the check is $162.29. You need to have a minimum of $100. Hence, I didn't get that last month. That's why we didn't get no check. So then we need to do 20% for taxes. So 162.29 minus 20%. We use the percent sign over here, is $32.45. Okay, and for 162.29 minus 10%, which is our tithe, it's $16.23. Okay, and I set it up so that we start here, but then we get to, the plan is to get this number down to 0. All right, so now in our YouTube boss account, we currently have 113.61 left, as you can see in our total there. And we're gonna put, I think we're gonna, because we got a little bit more money, we're gonna put 25. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got a little more money. We got a little more money. Now, y'all, excuse me, because I still have not given away that book, but y'all know what? We're not gonna stop no show for it because this is easier. This is money. If you're watching, and because I really love the butterflies in my little hair right now. You see it? It's so cutesy. If you hashtag butterfly down in the comments, you are entered into a $25 gift giveaway. A gift card giveaway, $25. You want it Zelle and Cashapp, I think, is the only thing I have. Or if you want me to send you a specific... No, I'm not doing all that. If you want Zelle and Cashapp, unless you really don't have those, then I will send you a specific gift card. Like an Amazon gift card. We could talk about it once you win. We're not going to worry about it right now. But $25 to go to you for being so great to me, for even taking the time to watch. I love a good giveaway. We love a good giving over here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and move $25. And this month is going to be for a giveaway. Hashtag butterfly, okay? Yeah, because I was going to say, or just leave the butterfly symbol, but no. Self-care. Self-care is something I want to work on with myself. Actually, I've been thinking. Don't let me do it. You know it's not good for my health. I've been thinking. So for self-care / me stuff, I want to put a little bit of money aside because I have just had the revelation listening to someone's video the other day that, girl, just because you want a whole bunch of stuff doesn't mean you have to have a whole bunch of stuff right now. You can literally buy little by little until you get what you want, right? And I don't know why that was it's like I'm an all or nothing kind of girl. And so it never really resonated to me. Like in my mind, I visualize having like a whole closet drawer full of like workout pants and matching tops hanging, like, or a drawer with a matching tops on the top and like a whole couple shelves of matching sneakers. That's just where I'm at in my life. Because in my head, I'm a healthy person that looks cute and gets dressed up and gets ready for the world, okay? And works out and looks amazing. But in my mind, I had to think to myself, do you have to get all of them right now? Why do we have to get all? We don't. So I'm going to put aside a little bit of something. And then once in a while, I'll pick up a new shirt or a new pant or a set. So for that, I'm putting myself $25. And that's going to go for like new gym stuff. Whether it's a shoe or a top or a bottom. I want to do that, okay? And the rest is going to go into monthly savings. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit because I kind of want to put YouTube Boss a little bit more money because $25 was really supposed to go for like shipping and stuff like that. And I do still have to ship that book out. So I'm going to do $50 to monthly savings. And then this other $13, 25 plus 13.61, that's going to go to... not self-care, girl. That's going to go to the YouTube Boss. So you could use the $13 towards like shipping. I'm going to go ahead and leave myself a note so I understand what I did. So $25 is for a giveaway and $13.60. Girl, no. Yes, $13.61 is for the YouTube Boss. All right, both of this money is going to go there. Now we've spent our check down to 0. So let's go ahead and move our moolah around. So we're going to transfer over. And y'all, I'm really going to try to pull these winners by next week, Saturday. Yes, it's what I said, I said what I said. What day is that anyway? Next Saturday is in May, okay? By May 2nd, baby. We're going to have a winner announcement May 3rd, the latest, okay? So we're going to go from Tara's major keys over to, first we okay, I got to sell some money because my taxes and my tithes are in Ally. Yeah, so that's something else. So we're going to go to YouTube Boss. And we're going to move over. We got a little money over there. We're going to move over $38.61. And this is from it's really from March, I think. YouTube check. Review. Tara's major keys to YouTube Boss. Transfer success. Then we're going to transfer over from me over to, I guess I'll just put it in Treat Myself right now. And that will be $25. And that's going to be supposed to be for some kind of gym clothes. It may actually be for weights, y'all. Because I also want like some new weights. And so I don't know. I kind of want a matching set more though. Don't remind me. I want everything. And I want it now. So, transfer success. And then, so we've done this. What? What it just happened? Hold on, y'all. I don't know what I just did, but I fixed it, okay? So we did this, we did that. And monthly savings is gonna get $25. No, girl, $50. Monthly savings challenge. Oh, look, you moving up. Monthly savings. We have $5.99. We're gonna have to do $5.99. Hey. $50, Tara's major keys, monthly savings, I'll be just success. I'll be playing too much, y'all. I be playing too much like y'all ain't got nothing to do. Y'all ain't got nothing to do. What are you doing right now, by the way? I hope you're doing something productive with your time as well. Why do I keep doing that? What's happening? I don't really know. Where is my thing? I don't know why it keeps coming up along the side. It's so weird. Stop being weird. All right. And so then I have to move over. I can't see. $48.68. So I'm going to Zelle that money. Oh, I could have looked right there. That's what's left in the account. Duh. And it's going to go to myself. $48.68. And that's going to be $32.45 for taxes and $16.23 for tithes. And boom. Review and send. I'm sending to myself. 48 to see. I understand. Cannot blah blah blah. Send my money. Success. And it's gone, baby. It's gone. Look at this. I knew that was gonna happen, but it's fine. I know how to get out of it now. So yeah, we did it. Check is to zero. Everything has been sent. Our account is down to zero. Stingy with the Nero. Okay. We know that fleshly. It brings you back sometimes. But that's it, y'all. Don't forget to hashtag butterfly, baby. Try to make it like so it makes sense. Or just say butterfly in a statement so it makes sense. So everybody who ain't really watching don't get it. You know what I'm saying? I don't really want to be giving away to people who don't really be watching. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, we're at zero base budget. 8 base budget. 8. Tomorrow's Friday. Who's mad? Not me. Let's go. All right, let's go. Drink your water, mind your business. Drink your water, mind your business. Drink water, mind my business. Okay, I'm done playing with y'all. Have a wonderful time. Let me know what you was doing to this video. I hope you were tracking, you were budgeting, getting yourself ready for May, because it's coming. If you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stop playing. Just stop playing. I don't understand. Okay? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, though, at least. Minimum effort. Hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. And shout out to you for getting me a check, baby. Okay? Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.